Bright and early here, heading into Logan Airport, and it's stuck in traffic. It's raining. It's 5:44 a.m. TSA had a small issue with my jumper pack with the jumper cable clips. After they thoroughly checked it and verified it's okay, they let me go. I headed on over to the Sapphire Lounge as usual, checking out the snacks I can get. I hate flying in the morning because the only thing I like here are these croissants. I usually take a whole pile of these, but today I'm only feeling 2. The flight is already boarding, so I gotta get on out of here, ram a couple croissants in my mouth, just like that. Delicious. Look, I even know how to zoom in on the port here. Zooming in. It's called Port Street here, but it's really Distribution Street. This is where the security checkpoint is. I'm on the wrong side of the plane to be able to see it from the window, though. Taking another Uber from the airport to the port, you can see all these other trucks and cargoes moving all around this area. Arriving at the port gate here, the adventure begins. Make sure you have your safety vest when you enter, and make sure you have all your proper paperwork before you even arrive here. Starting around, looking around. It's a Pajero Mini, a Skyline with the rear wiper. There's a little box truck over here. Little mini cab box truck. A Suzuki Carry, a nose bump. I still don't have one of these yet. I haven't touched one. Oh, is that my Hijet? That might be my Hijet. But I want to see that thing that's way back here. A cool little Mini here. A manual one. Classic Minis. A Jaguar. These are cool. I used to want one of these. Not so much anymore. Sandbar vans, a little crusty. What is this? Ooh, a Morgan. This is cool. We got a little 2CV, little French action here. Cool. This Morgan is cool though. I'm not gonna open it. All right, let's go find my stuff. All right, is this my Hijet? It's a cardio page Hijet. I can't tell. I don't have the paper with me. It's clean in the bed. Let's look at the kilometers, then I will know. Ah, this is mine. 15,590 kilometers. Oh, I got my stuff. Got a 5-speed. I'm gonna drive this thing home. All right, let's hope for the best. That's a good sign. Ah, yeah. No jump pack required. Oh, there's a little dent here. Not too bad. Clean under here. Nice and clean in the front. The wipers are toast. I should probably get some on the way home because I am driving it home. A little surface rust here and there, not too bad. Oh, okay. All right, let's put my bag away. Nothing's in here. Oh, cup holders on the dash. That's nice. Pretty good shape up here too. No rips in the seats. All right, let's take a look at my other stuff. Come over here. Let's take a peek. Nothing I'm looking for. Oh, there's a round eye carry. That's cool. I always loved the round eye carries. Oh, somebody left this window open on this Hilux. I should close it for them. Oh, it's dead. Sorry, can't help you. Check out this Land Cruiser. It's nice in there. It's got nice chunky Yokohama Geolanders. It's good shape. All right.
what we're really here for, ooh, an RX-7. What we're really here for is this guy. The Mira, our new Mira van. What have I done? I bought a Mira Michito. Alright. There's a bunch of key stuff in here. Okay. Is this okay? Is this gonna start? It's carbureted. All right. Just a little tear in the seat here and there. Overall in decent shape. Passenger seat is smaller and is good. Ooh, doesn't put the stall up. Oh. I hate carbureted cars. All right. This one has AC and all this cool stuff. What is this light? It has some sort of a light. I'm not sure what that does. Oh, the headliner's falling down. But look at this. Look at this. There's some rust here and there. You know, all these mirrors do rust, so it is what it is. But, how does this work? Right. And then what? Is there like a latch? Push up, and then this opens. Dude, this is freaking hilarious. You see the table's magnetic. It just comes down. You can set up shop right here. This is awesome. All right, let's go get these things out of here first, and we'll play with them when we get home. This is fun. It's so quiet. All right, well, since it doesn't need jumping, I'll just turn it off for now. We'll come back for this guy. All right, it's starting to rain pretty good out here. Slim pickings, there's not that many stuff. So hopefully I can just get this van out of here and we'll be on our merry way out of here. Here's that famous dolly. They got a new dolly. Or maybe this is a different one. All right. So I took a look around. Everything is good inside. Okay. Oh, this thing's really floaty. All right, so automatic. Starts right up. Good, good. What is this thing? Some sort of a remote. I feel like I'm on a boat. Like when I move in here, everything seems like it moves. Oh, look at that. There's power windows. They don't work? No? I don't know. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of stuff to figure out. The window doesn't open. I can't move my mirrors. Luckily, I have full view of what's going on behind me. We are out. Let's go home. I need to buy some wipers. These are really bad. But let's get that fueled up and then we'll go. I have a new adventure. My gauges don't work.
I think I know where I'm going.
The temp gauges, the gas gauge, and then, yeah. Well, my gas gauge decided to wake up. It's starting to display something. And the coolant gauge also has started to move a little bit, not much. We're on our way home. Look at the little Michito with the little cool windows in the back, or big windows. We've been driving about 70 kilometers now, approximately, since leaving the port. So that's like, what, 40-ish miles? It's about an hour and a half since we started, I think. There was some traffic we ran into. I missed an exit too, that did not help. But my butt's starting to hurt. My tailbone, like it's going numb. So these seats, you know, K-truck seats, they're not that comfortable for longer drives. But can this truck do it? Oh yeah, this truck can definitely do it. We're keeping up at 65 miles per hour, no problem. It's 5-speed, fuel injected, newer stuff. What I think is really cool is this truck is a 1999, so it is 26 years old. It's 26 years old. However, it has 15,600 something kilometers on it. So that's like, what, 10,000 miles? Everything feels so like new. Like you can feel like the steering wheel's not all worn out. The steering is nice and tight. The suspension rides decent. Like it's still a K truck, so I bet it still rides a lot better with stuff in it. But like it's not worn out. I really like buying these low mileage, low mileage cars, just because, yeah, they come with their own set of problems where they've been sitting for a while, so they kind of rot in a different way, or when things wear out in a different way, like seals or whatever, they might leak. But like overall, like most of the parts are still in very good condition.
All right, stopped. We should check the oil and stuff just to make sure we're good. All right, it is full. I don't know if it's dirty or not. Actually, it actually doesn't look that bad. Just wipe it on some napkins. All right, this is good. We'll check the Hijet. How old's this battery? 20. I don't know, this probably got some age on it. For the Hijet, that little nub looks like the dipstick, that yellow thing. Yep, that's the dipstick. Oil actually looks clean. Stinky little dipstick. I need wipers really bad. That's what I'm gonna buy. It's the same size? No, they are not the same size. Okay. Oh. There we go. Let's go get some new wipers. I'll probably get a razor blade too.
So we've been doing pretty good. I think we've been driving for about 4 hours. We stopped for a break at Walmart and at Qdoba. We had lunch there, so it took about an hour. I got new wiper blades and whatnot. But truck's been going just fine, even though the gauge doesn't work. I know there's heat, so there's definitely temperature. It's definitely a dash thing. And then in hers, there's no heat, so it's a thermostat probably, or heater core is plugged. No, wait, her thing's for cold. Probably thermostat. We're almost home. We still have like another 2 hours to go according to Google Maps. It's like 104 miles or something like that. My butt is pretty sore in here. This is my first like long drive in a K truck. Like I've driven K trucks maybe like upwards of an hour at a time, and going like, no, not even like this, like 30 minutes when I used to commute to work in my carry. It would be 30 minutes one way, and I would just be flooring it or whatever, just because I want to go 75 miles per hour. And this one, I can go 75 miles per hour, but it's really noisy in here compared to the Sandbar I drove the other day. I guess that's the difference of the engine being directly under me versus all the way in the back. Big difference. But this truck is perfectly capable of maintaining speed on the highway with everybody else. You can see, you can't really see behind me and stuff, but like I'm just driving with other cars here. I find this Hijet very susceptible to hills. I would lose speed very easily, and I have to at least maybe go into fourth and still cling on to my speed. That's what I just had to do here. I am getting pretty sore here. My tailbone hurts. There's no lumbar support. But we're almost home. I'll update you guys if anything goes, like if anything happens, I guess. I don't want to say the bad thing to jinx us. We're doing pretty good. I said a good thing to jinx us. Oh.
We did it! We made it home before it got dark. It is 5:30, plenty of light left, even though we had a few hiccups here and there. I needed to reprint paperwork at the gas station, go back, started raining, all that fun stuff. We stopped for gas one time because the Michito was running out of gas. Here are two Hijets right next to each other. You can see the older gen and the new gen. Look at them side by side. I'll do a comparison of the two when I get the chance. I'm gonna go take a break because sitting on my tailbone was back here where it was thinner. I think if I just scoot forward more, I'd be better. Which is kind of weird. Why would the leg side be the thicker side, not the butt side? But then again, this is meant for small Japanese people, like the average Japanese person, not me. I weigh almost 200 pounds, so yeah, different thing. Same but different. The bed is pretty much the same in the back. We get new lights, but no, it's a little different actually. There's a little hump there, and there's no hump on this one. So yeah, I'll do a full comparison stuff. Now, it's another successful port day. This is our most successful one because we got back before it's dark, and we didn't get screwed too hard. So thank you for watching, subscribe. I will see you guys next time. There will be a bunch of videos coming for the Hijet and the Michito. I got my jacket, it was a little cold, but before I go, oh my god, these seats are so much better. There's so much cushion. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's a lot better than a K-Truck.